Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to block the background sync permission on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. This is especially helpful if you want to reduce background activity or improve your computer's performance while running Facebook. With the latest update, the steps have changed just a bit. So let's walk through the new process together. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Give it a few seconds to load up fully. You'll want to make sure everything is displaying properly before moving to the next step. Now, look toward the top of the page and click on the three-dot menu icon. This opens up a quick access menu with some useful options. From here, click on App Info, which will take you into the detailed settings for the Facebook app. Once you're in the App Info screen, scroll down a little and select Settings. This is where all the permissions and app behaviors are controlled. Next, click on More Settings and Permissions. This is where you'll find options like notifications, data usage, and background sync. It's important to be cautious here. Only change what you understand. But for now, we're focused on just one thing. Right next to the background sync option, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. Simply change the setting to block. This stops the Facebook app from running sync processes in the background while it's not actively being used, which can help preserve battery life if you're using a laptop. And it may reduce internet usage overall. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully blocked background sync for the Facebook app on your PC with just a few quick steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.